Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like this. So for example, you can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can also allow interruptions, like it could be calls from everyone, from contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes for messages, and also there's an option called repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.